Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Jose, the Proud Millennial, and today I will be sharing my new apartment. It's empty for the most part. I will be officially moving in this weekend, so I wanted to shoot this place kind of as a before for myself, and so that you can get an idea of where I will be living for at least the next year. Probably more. So before we continue, of course, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram because I will be sharing way more on this move and the process of putting this place and making this place look nice. So a little bit about this place. We are in Silverlake, which is, I'd say, a few miles from downtown LA. Great neighborhood. I love this neighborhood. I've always loved this neighborhood, like since I was a little kid. We are kind of in the hills, like the backside of the reservoir. Like you can go to the coffee shops down the hill and also walk over to the reservoir and like do some exercising. So in my last apartment tour, a lot of you were like, that's not possible. Like you got lucky. Yes, but I'm gonna tell you right now, I just got this place. It's February 2021 and I'm paying $1,700 for this place. It is a 1-bedroom, 1-loft space. And I have a parking spot, I have laundry. I'm paying just electricity here and gas, and that's about it. I signed a 1-year lease. A great thing about this space is that I will have my own bedroom, but also I will have my own workspace, my own studio, and I will be able to host more once the pandemic is over. I do have to say, like, the finishes are not to my liking. There are a lot of things I would do to this space if I owned it. It's also not the prettiest building on the block, but I am on one of the prettiest blocks. So I'm gonna do as much as possible to make it look really great. Also, a lot of it is cosmetic and I can make it work. And here it is. So you walk in and here to the right, I already have some stuff, I'm sorry. To the right, you have a closet, which is pretty big. Almost as big as my last closet. So I'm thinking of doing shoes, vacuum, other things here. So first thing you see when you walk in is this kitchen, and I already brought some of my plants over. So you see the kitchen, it's a little outdated. I do like the countertops, big sink, stove, and fridge. And we do have this like laminate or this like fake wood flooring. So I do have to give a disclaimer. I am not a fan of this color, wall color, but we're gonna ignore that. So yeah. So you walk in, then you have, this is the main living area. And I plan on doing couch here, big curtains to cover this thing, and just like high curtains. I mean, look at that view. Okay, then TV's gonna go here. Over here you have a hallway. And to the right, you have the bedroom. We're gonna have to come up with a clever way of hiding this thing. And here's the bedroom. So you have the bed's gonna go here. I'm gonna do some nightstands. I'm gonna do a dresser on this end here. But yeah, I'm gonna go get a big rug in here, probably paint these walls a lighter color. And I'm just excited because I'm gonna, sleep here. Here's where I'm sleeping. When I wake up, I'm gonna look over and look at that view, like all the way over there. Let's see if I can, all the way over there, if you can zoom in, you can see downtown LA, and then just a beautiful view from like my bed. So I'm excited to put some kind of linen-y curtains and just letting this view really wake me up. I'm just excited because this place is with 3 closets, and I've never had that. Like I've had one before that was really big, but this one alone is bigger than the one I have right now. So we have these sliding mirror doors. These are where all my clothes will live. So all clothes in here. We're gonna go to the right. And we have these cabinets, which I'm gonna put all my towels and things in here. Very spacious. This is much more storage than I've ever had. Look at that. Just all the storage possible. You walk in here, it's the bathroom. It's the plainest bathroom. And I'm imagining some like my hamper here, some shelves here, or maybe some artwork here. So I'm about to show you one of the main reasons why I got this place. Just like when I saw this feature of it, I was like, this is why I'm getting this place. So from the living area, we go up these stairs, up. There will be a runner here. But this will be my studio office area. There's gonna be some kind of sleeper here. So if people want to sleep over, we party too hard, you can sleep there. It's just so much more space than I even could have thought. I mean, a desk here, and it overlooks, it's like this little loft area. And it's so cool, I love it. And another feature is this huge closet, way bigger than the one downstairs. It's wall to wall. This is all I really needed, like this closet, but I have 3 of them. And if you look out this window, great lighting. This seems to be the roof area that we don't have access to apparently, but people end up coming up here still. Come on, this is gonna be so great. I can't wait for you to see how it turns out. And lastly, we have my outdoor balcony area, which is much bigger than I really thought it would be. There's a lot of space and I have some plans for it, but what I really enjoy is this view, like all the view of the hills, the trees, and you can see downtown far in the distance. It's just so serene and I'm excited to spend some time out here. Thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed the space. I am so excited. Forgive me for all the things I have to change here. I'm excited to show you exactly what I'm doing with this space. It'll be a process, so bear with me. There will be videos on each part of the process. So each room has its own challenges. Of course, the culmination of it all will be in apartment tour that is furnished. So that will be coming hopefully in the next few months. What I'm excited about in this place is that I will really try to make it my own. I think at times I was trying to replicate other people's style and like try to follow trends, but I've been thinking that I have a unique style that I want to pursue, and that is going to be reflective here. Of course, there are trends that I will follow, but also there are trends that I won't, because I also don't want it to look like every other home. I want it to feel like my own. So that will be coming hopefully in the next few months. Anyways, I'm gonna get to moving, so don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you soon.